Hello everybody, it's Red Road Homestead, and today I'm harvesting my blackberries. Looky here. A whole bunch is coming on there. I gotta get them before the birds. And then I also got honeysuckle in here too. But right now I'm just harvesting the blackberries and then I'll weigh them. And I'll be making some jelly. Here's some here. I'm just gonna get the ones that are ready. Okay, a few more. And just look, they're just everywhere, everywhere. I just gotta watch for snakes. Because this is right at the edge of the woods here. And I don't want to disturb the old snakes. But looky there. Like I said, you guys, always forage. There's good food everywhere. I'm not going to make you sit through the whole thing, but I'll make another video and let you see what I got. Bye for now.